Hi everyone, it's Denise back with Keto with Denise, and today I want to talk about a common question around organic keto diet. Do I have to eat only organic foods on the keto diet? Let's talk about that because I think it's very important. A lot of people, when they're first starting off, feeling like they're failing their keto journey because they are not eating organic foods and things like that. The answer, simple and short, is no, you don't have to only eat organic, okay? But let's take a look at it. I always tell my clients, start where you are. The most important part is to start. Start your keto journey. So wherever you are, the most important thing is that you eat keto-friendly foods. We have a link in this video that you can download so you can see what are keto-friendly foods. So when you're sticking to that and focusing on high fat, moderate protein, low carb, and getting in your veggies, that's where you start. And you're going to see changes. You're going to see improvements in your health just starting at that point, okay? Now, because you're on a journey to a better lifestyle, and that's what's important, you want to begin to start eating cleaner, getting a better selection of foods. Why? Because your body is going to even respond a lot better as you incorporate cleaner eating. And let me tell you what makes this really, really doable. Intermittent fasting. Yep, you guessed it. Intermittent fasting is the game changer in a lot of ways, not just in your body, but in your budget too. Why? Because you're not eating as much. So you have now a limited need for all of the foods that you were eating when you were doing 3 meals a day. But when you start incorporating intermittent fasting, 2 meals a day, 1 meal a day, you're not having to shop for as much food. So you can now put the monies that you've saved towards eating cleaner, organic foods, pasture-raised food. You'll hear the grass-fed selection, uncured if you're liking bacon or some of the deli turkey meat or things like that. Deli meat needs to be uncured. That's that processing, not the preservatives and nitrates and nitrites in that stuff. Wild caught when you're dealing with all your seafood. Non-GMO, meaning is not genetically modified. And that's when you have a whole lot of stuff going into those foods and you still want to select non-GMO. It's a cleaner version. And then gluten-free, so you're not dealing with all the grains. And that's what you'll be doing on your keto-friendly food list. So you're already there. You're saving because you're doing your intermittent fasting. You're now able to incorporate, and by the way, you might incorporate some of these foods, but maybe not everything organic. That's your call, but just know that as you take your journey, start to eat clean because the end of that journey is better health. That's what we're after. Will you obtain better health by not eating clean? You will, but we want to make sure that you're giving your body every opportunity to heal itself with the cleanest versions of food, okay? But most importantly, start where you are with the keto-friendly foods because what we want is the ideal weight, elimination of chronic health conditions, prescription medications, all of that, better sleep, increase, all of those things that you get from being on a healthy keto journey. So when we say healthy keto, organic keto, that simply means that we're putting in cleaner foods in our bodies, but you can still do keto with eating keto-friendly foods, focusing on your high fat, moderate protein, and low carbs, okay? Thank you for watching. Hi, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And by the way, click the bell too so that you'll be notified when there's new content like this. Thank you again for watching.